Brooding at Ramzan is a poem written by Nasruddin P. I would like to recite this poem taken from his anthology, A Glad Vision. What is a Hindu, a Muslim, or a Christian? Whence he comes and where he goes? Ocean is a solution, salty but crores of suns gleam on the crest of waves. Only one at the hem in the blue. Pools and streams and lakes and bays, wells and springs and rain and ice. We see nothing but a drop in them drops. Nay, vapor condensed. Nay, H2O, right? Think a little straight. Sit up right. Am I not right? Break that H2O. Baffling bright white light you can see of heat and energy. Oh Shivam, oh Shivam, you may call it Noor in Arabic, Shiv in Sanskrit. What then? Releases combustion in cells, and nothing but very heat and energy. Uranium and thorium release the same. We find energy unborn, eternal, omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, and formless. The Almighty is Brahma. The Almighty is Brahma, Parabrahma and Allah. Jehovah may be for some Agni may be that radiant and resplendent yogic light. Can you see ocean in raindrop? Cosmic power in cell or shell? Cell or shell? What is in a name? Is chariot, court, or prison of the soul? Cell or shell? What is in a name? Is chariot, court, or prison of the soul? When walls get weak, the soul will part out through the wind as air of the balloon. Reading holy scriptures, not knowing the sense. What use? Observe the nature and think. Knowledge is a chain of fact as pearls, stringed by reason and faith with a coil of the truth. Tension brews as experience is tightly loaded on the string, still stronger by faith. Knowledge is light to enlighten the fog, not to kill, but for coexistence in peace. Knowledge is light to enlighten the fog, not to kill, but for coexistence in peace. Thank you. Here is a poem entitled Who is God? Taken from the anthology A Glad Vision by Nasruddin P. I would like to recite the poem Who is God? Who is God? A question of long history, but I all agree God is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient, the creator, the preserver, and the destroyer. He is eternal, no birth, no death to him. By his grace, he creates, by his will, with material and immaterial of his choice. I presume he is the potential energy permeating in all as vitality, the kinetic. In cells and atoms, we experience this as God particle, soul, Atma, or Ruh. What is in a name? Only language issue. The loss of it is death for every tissue.